That's a high price tag for a stone. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. So we made it into the new year. Welcome. I hope that you're well. So I have a lot of exciting content coming for you guys. As you can see, I'm coming to you au natural. So I'll be bringing you guys beauty content. I'll be bringing you my perfume content. And today we're testing out an exciting beauty tool that I think in the past year, this type of beauty tools have gotten a lot of attention. I will bring you guys different videos on unique beauty tools that I have in my collection. I featured all my beauty tools like about a year or so ago. I will insert the video up here if you guys want to check that out. Since then, I've added some unique pieces to my collection, which I'm excited about. We are testing out this facial cupping Lumin Mushroom by the brand Wildling. I saw this on Supergreat. Supergreat is a beauty shopping app where people leave brief reviews, and it's similar to Flip. I do short demo videos over there. They are basically short tutorials, short demos of products. And if you want it, you can buy it within the app or whatever. I had enough points to redeem, so I was super curious about this one. This is a white jade stone, and it looks really big in the picture. When I got it, I thought I was gonna have a gigantic tool, a gigantic stone on my face. So online it looks so much bigger, but it is really tiny. On the website, they claim that this clears blemishes by detoxifying the lymphatic system and revitalizing flow. This is also good to erase fine lines and wrinkles, my dream in life, by releasing muscle tension and activating collagen production that makes your skin nice and plump and healthy looking. It also cools and calms. It brightens the complexion. That's a lot of claims right there. It minimizes pores, and it lifts and sculpts. I'm gonna demo this product, tell you how much it costs. Would you buy it? Why wouldn't you buy it? The very first step is to add a facial oil or serum to the skin. I think overall the oil makes the mushroom work a little bit more effectively. So this is basically how you would use the Lumin Mushroom, going over the face. It also releases like facial tension if you have any. My jaw like locks sometimes, so this feels really good. And just overall increasing the blood flow. It feels so good. As to all the claims, I don't know if prolonged use, if this will in fact be helpful, but I can tell you it is super relaxing. I feel like my face just had like the best massage ever, and I like it. This white jade Lumin Mushroom will cost you a cool $65. You heard that right. Luckily, I didn't pay for it because I had points, so I just simply used those. But it is quite pricey. It does claim to have all these benefits that, like I said, the best part for me is the massage, honestly. Would you purchase this jade stone for $65? The price is up there. That's a lot of coins for this stone. Because I'm always on the hunt for something new, something amazing, something that will help my skin, I'll be using this much more. I enjoy the facial massage. Is it worth $65? That's a little steep, y'all. If these claims and benefits are true, then I would say yes. Test it out if you can, but it's a little pricey for a stone. That's a high price tag for a stone. Okay? Let me know in the comment section if you would try the white Lumin Jade Mushroom. Have you heard about it? Are you curious now that you know about it? Let me know what's up. That is it for me trying weird and interesting beauty tools. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you for joining me as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.